good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am showing you my shower routine plus a body care. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So to start off my shower routine, I am rinsing my body off with warm water because I have to wash my face first because your girl like to multitask. So the facial wash I am using is from Bliss. It is super good, super gentle on the skin, and I'm using my hands because my silicone face wash scrubber is dead. So I'm just gonna wash my face for a full minute with my hands and then rinse it off. So after washing my face, I like to crank the water up to hot because it's just something about hot water that just makes me feel so good when I'm showering. And then I'm going to take my African bath sponge. That is my favorite thing to clean my body with. Since I started using it, I have not went back to a rag or a loofah, and it doesn't carry bacteria. Sis, that is a plus. And then I'm using my Dr. Bronner's peppermint castile soap, another favorite, to wash my body so I can feel all nice and cool and tingly and clean, if you know what I mean. Ooh, bars. Don't forget to clean behind your ears, honey, because that is super important. Dirt does collect behind them ears, so make sure you clean it behind your ears. And I did clean the other part of my body off camera because, you know, this is YouTube and I'm not going to expose myself. And another reason why I love this African bath sponge is because it is super long, so I could clean my back without nobody's help, and it's good for exfoliating. So if you've seen my feminine hygiene routine, then you know that I like to bathe my body twice. So I'm going in with this Dove body wash. It smells so good and it hydrates my skin. So now it's time to clean the cookie, and I'm using the Honey Pot Feminine Wash. Love this stuff. If you've seen any of my feminine routine videos, then you know I love this stuff. I like to use my hands to clean the area because, for one, it's my body, and two, it's a sensitive area, so you want to be very gentle. So in honor of shaving and waxing day, it is time to exfoliate. So I'm using this raw sugar scrub to exfoliate my entire body because it's always good to exfoliate before you shave or wax. So as you all notice, I did turn off the water so I can exfoliate my body. I like doing that because while I'm exfoliating, I like to let the scrub sit on the skin while I work on other areas. So after I rinse the scrub off, my skin would just feel so good. So before shaving, I like to give my feet a little TLC. So I am exfoliating my feet and then following up with the pumice stone so I can scrub away any dry skin or calluses that might have came up so my feet can be nice and smooth, because who want dry, cracked feet? So after giving my body a good rinse from the scrub, it is time to shave. I'm using this tea tree shaving oil. I love this stuff. I like it better than shaving cream because I can see what I'm shaving, and it also helps the razor glide and get rid of any unwanted hair. And the razor that I'm using is from Flamingo. It's not my favorite, but it got the job done. So the only parts of my body that I shave is my arms and legs. I like to shave in the upward motion. That works for me. And all the other areas that has unwanted hair just get waxed off. If you guys would like to know how I do my at-home waxing, please check out my video that I'll link up above for you all. So the body is clean, the body is exfoliated and shaved, feeling smooth and good. So I'm just putting my hair up in a top knot so I can moisturize my skin. But first, I'm going to follow up with this Tree Hut Soothing Mist so the areas that I did shave won't be irritated. So I like to moisturize my feet first with this ancient Greek foot balm, because sis, we got to give our feet a little bit of TLC, especially after all that harsh scrubbing. I just like to go in and give myself a nice little foot rub, and then I'll follow up with some house shoes just to keep that moisture in, because like I said, nobody wants dry, cracked feet, okay? Does anybody else wear like socks or house shoes around the house, like after cleaning their feet, or just in general? Or is it just me? It's just something about walking around the house without no socks or house shoes on your feet just don't sit well with me. I can't. Comment down below if you're the same way. On to moisturizing the rest of my body. I like to use this pistache body butter that smells so freaking amazing, and it just keeps my skin so moisturized. To end my body care, I like to go in with a body spray, and the body spray I'm going in with is from Bath & Body Works. Although I'm not going anywhere, I still like to smell good while I'm inside the house, and I didn't put on any deodorant because I still have to wax afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button like right now, and also comment down below some of your favorite shower or body care essentials down below in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, and while you at it, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.